Hi, I'm Kiana with QC Adventures. You're in luck today. We're on a special trip on Oasis of the Seas. We're going to board today here in Bayonne, New Jersey. This is the Bayonne port terminal here for Royal Caribbean. And we're going to get on Oasis of the Seas. She is the first in her class, Oasis class, and they were the biggest when they were built until their sister ship Wonder came along and is now currently the biggest. Icon of the Seas is coming this year, and then now she will be the biggest. So we're getting on a very big ship for the first time. So please like, subscribe, and share. Come with us on this fabulous, fun trip, 7 days to the Bahamas from Bayonne, New Jersey. Here we are, getting ready to board Oasis of the Seas at the Bayonne cruise port. We're waiting in line to drop off our luggage. Okay, so we're moving along here. We got Covey. Say hi, Cubs. Hi. Got my son Calder. Say hi, Calder. And we just dropped off our luggage. My husband is parking the car. And now we're going to walk in here to the terminal. All right, here we're going up into the terminal. Getting ready to board. Oasis of the Seas, Oasis of the Seas. Who's ready? Me. There we go.
Can I be shocked?
I know, I'm pretty shocking.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Straight ahead.
Thank you. Here it is. What, honey? That is magic, baby. All right, here we go. We got it. Thank you. Go find a table. Cubby. Here we are eating in the Windjammer on Embarkation Day. There's a couple other places to eat also on that day. Central Park has a restaurant, the Promenade does, and there's also the pizza there. But overall, the food was excellent on the ship all week. Very, very well done. In the Windjammer, in the main dining room, at the bar service, everything was excellent. It was a great spend for the 7 days. Here's some other scenes from around the ship. This is the pool deck. There's the hot tub there. This is the beach pool, and you can see the slides in the background. The stairwell for the slides was right there, so this was a great location. It was also the only pool that had umbrellas, so it is a nice place. You can't eat at your beach chairs there because they are in the pool, so that is a consideration if you like to snack on your chair. Of course, we had to order some drinks, and we had a wonderful time there on the pool deck. We then went down to see our room. So this is our first look at our room, and I'll give you a room tour in a minute. Hey, so here we are in our standard balcony stateroom. This is number 10148, and it is standard balcony. I do have the blinds closed so that we can film in the room right now. But it's a pretty standard room. The couch is pretty big, and it is brand new, which is really nice. The carpet looks fairly new. Our balcony door did have a little bit of a problem with it opening, so we're going to check with the room steward about that. And we also have another cabin on the other side of the hall, which I'll show you, which is the standard inside cabin. So for right now, this is the main cabin. The bed is close or away from the window. The couch is closer to the window. There's a little vanity desk here, which has a seat to put your makeup on or to do work at a computer, and then some drawers and this really small TV. I think Oasis may be showing her age just a little bit with the tininess of that TV. If you swing around to your left, you're going to see the closet. That's the only closet for the room, which I think is also a little small. And the fact that it has the night table next to it, it's kind of going to make it hard to get into that other side. But other than that, the cubbies seem to be good. The safe is there, but it is kind of small. These lights do work too on the bedside. So for sleeping at night, you have it all off. And then you can turn these on too. There's a little switch underneath. Okay, so all the lights turn off everywhere with this switch, so you can do an all off for the whole room by the bedside, which is nice. And then the switch for the light here is up on this light. So these are the reading lights. Let's go out to the balcony and we'll show you our view. So here we are out in the balcony. You could see over my right shoulder is beautiful New York City skyline. We're boarding today in Bayonne, New Jersey. So it's actually a beautiful, beautiful view outside of our cabin. We're actually going to sail down the river out to sea past the Statue of Liberty. So we'll definitely film that for you on the sail away. It's a pretty big balcony, I think pretty deep wise. I'd say about 6 feet deep. And it's got 2 chairs and a table here. So take a look at it. We hopefully have a adjoining cabin next door with our friends. So when they do board the ship, hopefully we'll be able to take one of these panels down. You can see that they unlock right here. And we'll be able to have a balcony that goes between the rooms. So that's going to be fun. That's the look of our balcony. We'll let you know how we like it. But for right now, let's see some scenes of the rest of the ship. Here is the bathroom in the standard balcony. The door has a couple of hooks on it, which is always appreciated. And then it's the standard bullet bath or shower stall from Royal Caribbean, which, you know, is an improvement over having a shower curtain. So it's basically a round tube that you take a shower in. There I am. Hey, guys. So this is the bathroom. Towels on the right. Tiny little sink. Hope your unmentionables fit in there, and then the commode on the left. There is some storage underneath and a tiny bit of storage up here. We were just last on a celebrity cruise, so the amount of storage looks really small to us, but I think we were just spoiled on that last bit. But otherwise really standard, very clean, and pretty nice. So I would say for a standard balcony that you're going to get, probably a pretty good amount, considering the Oasis is the first in her class, which means she was built in like the mid 2000s, like 2007 I think, or 2009. So she is a little older, so you're going to see some of the things like that, but she's held up pretty well, I think. And for a standard balcony, there's plenty of room in this bathroom. All right, so here we are in our other cabin. This is a standard interior cabin. As you can see, it's made up for a double bed right now. We're actually going to have that split into 2 separate beds for our kids. But there's basically artwork on the back. There are no windows in this room because this is standard inside. It's not one of the inside rooms that faces, a courtyard or a boardwalk or anything like that. There's a little tiny couch. I'd say it's about 3/4 of the couch that's in the balcony room. It's a little smaller. There's a little TV here so that if you want to order room service and eat in, you have a space that you can definitely do that, eat in your dinner here. Next to that is a little desk area to do your makeup. And of course, there's a lighted makeup mirror, which is also in the balcony cabin, which I neglected to show you. A tiny little TV, like we said before. This may be where Oasis is showing her age on this little tiny TV. And then there's the refrigerator down below. If you swing around all the way to your right, you're going to see that there is the closet, which is same or similar to the closet that's in the balcony stateroom. And it has the cubbies on one side, the safe, and some hanging area on the left. There is a full-size mirror directly to the right of the closet. And then that door past the mirror takes you into the bathroom, which we already shot. That's pretty much the entire amount of the interior room. But generally, it's a great place to stay if you want to house your kids like we are, or if you want to go on a budget on a cruise. It's a great way to save money on the room and spend your money in other places on the ship. So this is your look at the standard interior room on Oasis of the Seas. So here's the Lime in the Coconut Bar on deck 15. You're looking at one of the other pools there. Central Park, which was gorgeous. Even had bird sounds and cricket sounds piped in. We did see one actual bird, but I don't think they're supposed to be there. It was a beautiful, beautiful space. And this is that Central Park area from above, so you can see how big it is. Absolutely fabulous. And this is another look from the schooner bar looking down into the Royal Promenade on deck 5. You can see there's shopping. The photo gallery is there. The stage with the band is just to your left, and Sorrento's, the pizza parlor, is down there on the right, and that's pretty much open all the time, which is great for a late night pizza. We also went on the Ultimate Abyss. This is the dry slide on deck 16, and we did the escape room, which was my favorite part of the cruise. It was an awesome experience. Tell me, did the wind sing off your feet? Did you finally get the chance to dance along the light of day? Head back to the Milky Way. Tell me, the feelings blow your mind. Who did everything they wanted to find? We also did the chef's table on this sailing, which I wasn't really aware of, but once we got on, we did see it. It's in a private room in the solarium, and the food was amazing. The monkey bread, it was like a lemony bread. This is the world chocolate dessert. We also had filet mignon, lobster, scallops. It was absolutely delicious. The chef came out in each course and told us about the food, and then there was also a wine pairing. It was awesome. We did it with all 8 of us. Amazing. Here we are on the flow rider. This is my daughter Covington, who tried really hard and did a great job trying to get up on her board and then to stand up and, put her arms out wide. You'll see her in a second doing it. It was really a great experience. Every single person in our 8-person party got on the flow rider and gave it a go. So it was excellent. Now, I did say everybody in my party got on the flow rider, and that includes me. This is my first ever time trying the flow rider, even though I've been on other ships with it. So this was pretty unbelievable to me. Well, thanks for watching this whole way through. We really appreciate you.
We had a great time on Oasis. She was an excellent ship, and her staff took really good care of us. We'd recommend a voyage on her. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time.